Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share it with the user management system. Then after you open your NetBeans, make it sure that your project has downloaded dependency. So right click this project, then build with dependency to download all the dependency of this project in your local repositories. So after that, if it is all the um, repositories here in your dependency, all of these are downloaded in your local repositories, you can proceed to other sources here, then persistence XML, then proceed to source, then here you will see the you will see the UMS database. You can change this database if you don't like the name of the database. Then change this Aldrin into your MySQL password. Change it. Then after that, proceed to services in NetBeans. Then try to connect, or if it is not connected, so try to connect. Start. Then here, right click this one. Then you will see we don't have UMS database, so let's create database. Create database which is UMS. Okay. Then after that, we can run the project, because if we run that without creating UMS, it will error because our persistence find the um, database UMS, which is our in the configuration here in Hibernate. You finding the persistence UMS and the database is missing, so it will error. So let's proceed to run the project. Run. Then you will see the project here. Okay, if we'll try to log in, for example, let's put here admin, it will enter, then it will error because in our database here we don't have data for the user. Refresh. So we have here a UMS. We don't have data for the table user tables. So right click this one, view. So we don't have data, but first, before you add user, you can add the role first, view data. Then add, click this one, add. Then click this rule. Then let's put admin uppercase because this is the require admin. Then okay. Then let's add one for the user. Then okay. So we have here two user. Then you cannot change this because our controller here required user here. So user and admin. This is the uh, privileges of the user and admin. So this is the view of the rules, the restriction. So let's proceed. Let's try to log in this one. Oh no, we don't have yet user, so let's add here data here, user. Then let's add, click the button user. Then let's type Aldrin. Then password which is admin. Then surname which is uh, then username here. Let's put admin. Then role ID which is one for the admin. Then next one is let's add here add row. Let's add here let's put um, uh, let's put for example Aldrin, then user, then the surname is, let's put Bailin, then the username user, then the role ID is 2 for the user. So okay, so we have here two users, so we can log in now. So this is admin, then let's see. This is the admin, and this is the admin account. The role of this is admin. Then let's log in. So this is the dashboard. No, this is the privileges of the user. This is a swing. This is not Java effects. So as you can see, you can change password here, and then you can set up user. This one you can update, delete, then you can log out. So as we can see, we need to try to log out to see the view of the user. So let's put here user, then log in. So this is the user. Means this is for example of POS. So the admin is the this one. For example, log out. Let's try to log in admin. So that is the admin, which is the view, the differences of the rule. This is the user-defined restriction. So if you want to see how to create this project or the patterns of this, you can see in the Hibernate series, Hibernate JPA series in the playlist, and I will share it to you the in the description of the how to create the pattern of this. So thank you for watching. See you next video. Maybe next day I will share it to you on other project. So thank you for watching. Bye.